Cochran boiler. The Cochran boiler is a vertical multi-tube boiler generally used for a small capacity of steam generations. Cochran boiler are made in different size of evaporative capacities ranging start from 150 to 3000 kg per hour and work pressure of up to 15 bar. There is external cylindrical cell and firebox in the Cochran boiler. The shape of the cell firebox in spherical and hemispherical head of the boilers provide maximum space and strength for withstanding the pressure built in Cochran boiler. Also, hemispherical crown of the firebox helpful to resist intense heat. This is the Cochran boiler diagram. It consists of a safety valve, stop valve, pressure cage, manhole, anti-priming pipe, external cell, water level indicator, fusible plug, combustion chamber, fire bricks lining, fire tube, smoke doors, and blow off cock, flue pipe, grate ash pits. The firebox and combustion chambers are connected via short pipe. There flue gas from the combustion chamber flow of the smoke box via number of tubes. The gases from smoke box exhaust through chimney. There are firebox in the combustion chamber withstand intense heat. There is a manhole near top of the crown on the shell cleaning. At the bottom of the firebox for feeding grate and coal through fire hole, and it's kept closed by a fire door. Parts of the Cochran boiler. First one is a boiler cell. The boiler cell made of a steel plate into cylindrical form and it's riveted with or welded together. The end of the cell are closed by the end plates. The boiler cell should have enough capacity to store water and steam. Next one is a combustion chamber. This chambers below the boiler shell for burning useful fuel to generate the steam from the water in the cell. Grate. The grate is a platform in the combustion chamber where fuel is burnt. The grate is generally a cast iron bar and this is space between them so the air can pass through it. The surface area of the grate where fire takes place called a grate surface. Furnace. The furnace is above the grate and below the boiler shell, and in the furnace the fuel is burned. At the fire tubes. The fire tubes are horizontal tube between the combustion chamber. The flue gases from the combustion chamber flow to the smoke box through a number of fire tubes. These pipes are used to exchange the heat from hot gases to the water. The fire hole, it is the bottom of the combustion chamber and firing blue gases inside the furnace. The chimney is provided at the top of the boiler and connected to the smoke box. These exhaust gas are coming out from the fire tubes and passes through smoke box and exhaust through chimney. The manhole for cleaning, repairing, inspect the boiler cells. The flue pipe, the firebox and combustion chamber is connected through a short pipe, and these pipes are called flue pipes. The hot gases flow from grate flow into the combustion chambers through the flue pipe. The first coal is fed to the grate through a fire hole from burn. The ash formed in the burning is collected as pit below the grate and it's removed manually. The hot gases from the grate passes to the combustion chamber to horizontal fire tubes and transfer the heat to water by convection. The exhaust gases out from the fire tubes passes through smoke box and exhaust gases to atmosphere via chimney. There is a door in the smoke box for cleaning fire tunes and smoke box. The Cochran boiler has working pressure of 6.5 bar and a steam capacity 3500 kilo per hour. Accessories and mounting of the boiler. First one is a water level indicator. The water level indicator is the most important fire to boiler. It shows the water level inside the boiler. The water level indicator is safety devices and upon its safe working of boiler depends. The pressure gauges measure the pressure of the steam inside the boiler and it is the fixed front of the steam boiler. Next one is the safety valve. The safety valve is installed in the steam boiler to prevent the explosion of due to the high internal pressure of steams. The safety valve ensures the safety of the boiler from damages due to excessive steam pressure. Next one is the stop valve. It is used to control the flow within the boiler and stop it when required. The flow of cock or blow off valve. The blow off valve is used to remove the periodically the sediments deposited at the bottom of the boiler. As the boiler is an operations and empty boiler, it is to be cleaned or inspected. The feed and check valve controls the flow of water from the feed pump to boiler, also prevents the backflow water from the boiler pump when the pressure is less than the boiler or when feed pump creases. Action is a fusible plug.